He was perhaps one of the greatest American novelists, but what some have forgotten or never knew is that Ernest Hemingway was also a 20th century war correspondent. To Syracuse University adjunct professor Ramon Buckley, Hemingway's political sympathies for democracy during the Spanish Civil War are not surprising.
So things got more complicated as the war went on. But at least at the beginning of the war, I would say there was hardly any writer or intellectual in the English-speaking world that did not support the Republic.
I got so many reasons. You're gonna wanna make it someday. Some say, boy, you're always teasing. I think you best believe in. But why you gotta drive me crazy, baby? Song for any season. I got so many reasons.
However, what made Hemingway different from the other war correspondents like Ramon's father, Henry Buckley, was Hemingway's direct involvement in battle.
A different story. It might be 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 a different story.
Svibanj.
but it was Hemingway's hands-on mannerisms that also saved lives. During an air raid by nationalist forces on Republican boats below, Buckley says Hemingway single-handedly rescued his father Henry, among other correspondents.